dear Radidin and Prophet OPATAFOR Akanesio Aviranaba Yajino Grevi Nayajinemu Yamanaiko Prophet OPATAFOR Yajino Grevi and Yanayajinemu Yamanaiko Prophet OPATAFOR na wodu moja tumi akana na fom pesuwegu na ya na wosa nyare wanso apata fonye twedi opo nyankopon ni o apata fonye Yesu Kristo ni e apata fonye onkonkunu so ni e ene ti se usai ne sewa obaye nchenche mawai erinya wo hini anampo su sedu ban the global sia asasia no naisia OPATAFOR wayare sanie OPATAFOR uye diesunie OPATAFOR erade nkwaji enie se wakane bere umpa ejuri pie mu kese wai eye de ma o se wo ba to ne puma no dade ekoti anyo be podcast OPATAFOR enim se wanke wo ho obeya asase tawai na me sheki so ni chebe yeno be wunu OPATAFOR nsem yajeno grevi ayajinemu yamana iko Prophet OPATAFOR yajeno grevi yandie na yajinemu yamana iko Prophet OPATAFOR asiera digi na Prophet OPATAFOR no okanesi afiraneba yajeno grevi na yajinemu yamana iko Prophet OPATAFOR misi yajenografi yajinemu yamana iko Prophet OPATAFOR yajenografi yajinemu yamana iko Prophet OPATAFOR yajenografi yajinemu yamana iko Prophet OPATAFOR yajenografi yajinemu so
me chiati obi bia maybe I will be a me chia when you live show ya na mpacho wa share dia mani pa mi ni miense bi na ayefe kama and then so rather dia chaye and ye me bosome no e da tosu dunso and ye kwasi ada nwumre enti ba wi a obi a me chia wo sima isia abafa enwumre na wotwe ho enti baby a obi a se wo fio afi na wo kofio wo demu se wo hwem wo TV so wo hwem wo phone so baby a hwem bi amba cho me chiao pa chiao eti se de bia ye no o ba line so a na wa hya ma obi ma resu mfi se gusu a o hwe video yi no na o boaboa ho na do question so aba abra ibe bia tum se ye fa questions na afi so no se o meka OPATAFOR ho a na abomodia abo subscribe button no na abra obebo no do baba beka OPATAFOR enti enumere baby a obi a me chiao enumere baby a obi a me chiao okay and then on crofo bebre omo line is so much, but obey the nina, it sounds good. Nina, it sounds good. So, with all due respect, you can as well leave your comment in the comment section, and then in case if you have any question, you can grab your keyboards as well and then tender in your question. Channel everything to the comment section for me, and I will be very great to have your question and respond to you as well. So with all due respect, hey, OPATAFUOR TV, what a job ending. And may your boss be the question kakrebi. Who question be another, and then mpacho me try wo question. Let me you ano, and then me my secret be. And then the last tree service I why? This is our very last tree service that we actually Elizabeth do I do not believe somewhere. Mommy Elizabeth. Sir Elizabeth on the wall John the Baptist. Mommy Elizabeth. What you say? On the wall John the Baptist. Abra na Yesu mami enye mono no. So ati ase. Satan no. Na Elizabeth so na o mami enye mono. Elizabeth so enyim eye Yohani Suboni. Enti uhwemu a Yohani Suboni ni busuani pa anka honamani de anka eye ne cousin ene eye Yesu enye nchen kora. Eti abra omunyini ye na Yohani enya 13 years mfie dumiensa na Yesu sunya mfie dumienu no ana Yesu die okọ eye Misrim ana Yohani Suboni so tena eye Israel monte Juda monte so na ehona Yohani Suboni ekotena sofopanyini ba ko na ase iti sofopanyini ne na tete eye Yohani Suboni ana Yesu so ekọ kosua ade ewo abibifuo no ho eye you can say Egypt fuo no ho Misrim fuo no ho eti abra Yesu return back ofri Egypt etwa mu sene call eye India usua ade nyina awie ya o graduate ye na obae na Yohani so aye sofo panyini a ono so kan kwagesem na ohwe odifuo Zakaria a ono na owo eye Yohani Suboni na watim se enwosra na wo Yohani Suboni so na nya nwosra ketwa enti sana tie Elizabeth. Oh my goodness. Mo comment section nyina me chia mo mahu obia enti mbacho o question fabra na anwumre ye mobo hu ansana Mr. Fifi Esuma mahu sa o shaho Dr. Odro bibia boko oh akwaji one day ko mechire odi ntia e fra akwaji no mechire wase ne ma chire edin a ada o bi fra asase we so ko mbe fra odin a osoro di nimu mumu bebre edin na da mo so yesa an e fra mo agi se me OPATAFUOR me pa na ma kan chire. Oh, it's so sweet. Eti baby Arabia, Canada for me chiao, Italy for me chiao, Spain, Germany, US of A, UK for London for baby Arabia, afi ni titiri nyankopon krofo a mo hwe me ba cho eni die kwa so metia mu nyina onyame asofo onyame adifo asofo maamefo ba cho metia mo ise munia ketwa eni oma ne nkoyie maame nso beja bende sa abrabo no durumre bia unya ne cheche so enti unya ketwa opatafuo sisi nyeize sa bato bende akra nyame tiase minimsem wo ho idie ansem de mo ngosra no dawo mo so yesi de ngosra no hyede ni ho sa enti eja mitu chemamo mama me nsaso nyina eboa okay me ba cho wo question bi afabra na eni komo nyame nka ho onyame nipa bi ahwe bibia asofo ba bi ahwe ni bi erade mpagya o mame why erade enkai o erade ma unya onipa eni onu onyame nanim adom what I say okay obi abusa question e wo ho Koyapia or see great one how far to the building but the misi na oh e wo ho minjai yo me pa cho minjai obi obaka se majai si bia oboa nyame ya adom a echina ye Monday me pa cho echina nyame ya adom a Monday ewia 12 pepepe metwa dan ne de akire mo me pa cho minjai si o omugusu omo ye na eje se unse edan sie no ni disuo enti nyame ya adom a echina nyame ya adom a nyame ya adom a Monday right echina Monday echina ewia 12 pepe ya ben o phone na min video enchiro ba bia yaduru yegusu achese ye ni oma na jabe ende se sisi no odi eduru ha wa be hu de yeduru etinyame adom echina eja kwadwo bacha obra online why na min twa mfa nchiro I thought say ebia na me ha mo adwere me disturb mu peace entino ena na me mpese me show bi mu no but wa requested dia nyame adoma what do you call it echina Monday me ba be show dia kire mu they say afena ye be screening what I say ye wie ya na pop works ne ada enioma soso etoatoa so what I say enti me ba cho ani die kwa so sanete enti nyame adoma nyame adoma echina me di akiro jabe de sikadie in fact ye buruka ni bi se onse we no enye e dynamic o se eye dynamic dia enka mpacho anga samre dia ki eduru akiri na mpacho sisi no the me eye architectural masterpiece so what I say enti designs no ye dey edoso sisi do oba design fence wall no kra na easy me mpe war obi atubi so what I say OPATAFUOR sa na mesuban ti o se me hu se wato me wall ni bia me mpe ne sa ena the way I mean no me ye me see me dan a me ye me wall no me ye wall no ma wan kasa no se opese oye bia e ka wo be bo no nti wa hwe a no aba mu abu no wajai what I say wa hwe sa aka na no wajai etina me bibia ye soronko sa na mesuban tie OPATAFUOR me ha adwene kakra ma asem odin kakra but enye bebre sa na me life ti enti ni me design enti na me na me fa pen na ma fa paper na matenase na ma design me fie na me di ama contractors Pastor Jima oye engineer me di mana no ne other engineers no na afri o makọ grounds na ma project from the paper to the ground. What you say? So that's how I've always been doing it. Enti midnight bi anisi bia no architect bi en ho baby a on a draw plan mami. Me tena ho say ya me ya de no ye di si ho wie so a oba wa bo say yes more piafo. Enti we architectural masterpiece. Me ye di esi ho na madin kan ka kire say we no enye me permanent efie say opatafuo fie a wasi a otena mu daache ni dabi we ni de me sheda esi say me dey celebrate aye me new promotion na on the 6th of June osoro e dey boamen ana osoro elevate me no eno na me so me ye dey elevate me ho. It just like that. Though say when I feel like kotinemu I'm not kotinemu, but at the moment there enye me permanent destination dabi inti sanity inti me dey see her for a year on the 6th of June promotion koso no enunti na me ye no enunti na nka me pese eye June we nke lunch down but I'll say a lot down so too much and a lot of works come a lot of works and designs and so does and because of that I was seeing you about trainate me a finish down come mama wa nkasa utwemu a unya question bia wo ho entia enti sanete me obi a onyankopon achemi adum bebre saa na Jacob tumfo ye mi onya abotre se odifo opatafuo mi siesie enti mi seso no enhye da ni ho ohwe me papa fie na me ana me design ba yo me ana me tena ase edi design ba e ohwe Mr. Osei eja say efie ya o lunch no na anu ya ene so me ana me tena ase draw ye me draw say munsi dan ni say munsi edan ni say what you say eti sana metie eti opatafuo onyankopon de enhira eburu nhira so na de amame ani gisem ko a sana te eti number eti mu a betimi aba eye December 29th 2026 you know mo ba na mo behemu ani su nioma no one who say ampa opatafuo say wo mo ye we architectural masterpiece me and me designing no architect no engineers were Reverend Joseph Jima senior engineer me am the free me the two people so anam the amano also the sound so asisi abai Juma wa ye bebrebe eti hospitals akese kolebu ni ade nyina Reverend Joseph Jima asisi bi enti me the two papers so anu mu yi ato form ho what I say sanity a lot of design bia ofie no plot ne te say said the city bia metima design efie no se wo sika nko ade a obi wa oni sika on say efie a design ewo mu no eya na luxury na luxury ne so no se wo ni sika untimi nye enti obi wa ya no ni sika enti oni sika de ane aye betting costa ni bi di ama na ja why ni saa na watenam. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Onyame mu ode. Onyame mu ode. Enti saa na metie me design untimi nye bi. Okofa senior architect kraba obetimi a draw all right at the amount, but enyama me di besi dan untimi nye chemicals a ye be krafra brochire ene cement a ye be use no. Untimi nye what you say obi oduma abrabo no saa na tie but normal nyame dey shire di pantera dey be shira saa na tie. Now Nana Jesus Papa, please, I know you have so much at hand, but don't forget our monthly videos on our 48 months to paradise and our spray direction. Okay, 80 on the 1st of June, Nana J, 1st of June, and I'm the remember kasa afa 48 months to paradise no. Aye June ya we animu on the 1st. And remember be kasa fa ho anumre 8. Na online o hwe me. Enti short minutes bi na me no be kasa. Ejina na je mi remfi na na obese adwuma no edoso pa. Enti on the 1st of June ya and I remember be kasa. Iba be din komo 48 months to paradise no say enkrofo bi kika so OPATAFUOR wa emrese kura de mu adwo bro mo kasa o. Now Roger Joseph say how much is it going to cost, Papa? Roger me pacho de ba dia hia de na opese uhu. De hi na opese uhu. De hi na opese uhu. But your dear hina opese I say how much is it going to cost, Papa? But your dear here any dear class with Mr. Roger. The hina opese and me nyankopon na me som no but enya calendar so nyame no. Ayo nyame a na nim na chi obi bia ni ho. Oye nyame a oboni pa ho ban. Where you nyamia or money see onipa ye. Na me question is say onyankopon be na nyankopon hu say unim awurade a ya na wani gi ankasa mani a egi ne say mitiwe mi wa asundwie kokum nipa bra bia ni ho kope efunu hu nsuo bra bia ni ho kokoda amusieye bia ni ho koko pepe part ma ayusi bia ni ho ede obodanfo nkoda bia ni ho saa ne o ma fiwe ebi ni ho no ko na koye obi aza eni ho ko scam obi ko defraud obi ko na koyi ko ton konkonte kro ameka no e wa sofo bebi omo ga na etutu omo to say ko onim nyankopon a saa de we ebi ni ho so nyame o shira o sa eni ma basa na ebi ni ho ejinami shira se me di nyankopon be kire mo se mo mpe eduru akire kra de mo se me ya antichrist na mse yo mate na yenyina eti asasi so. And Mr. Roger, dear, tell me, what are you trying to tell me? Okay, Roger says your project, the house you are building. Oh, see, are you talking in respect of the cost of everything? the cost of everything. Like Messi bewie no. Eno na pese ohu anase dey. Okay. Okay, well, Fanebe 2.5 to 3. 2.5 to 3 million dollars there. Day ebe kofom. Mitwimi mu ni betin ye pese day. Ebe kofom because bulletproof crampa, bulletproof glasses cra. Ye de be fix it down ni mu cra na eno cra no enye easy. Eno cra ho ka no. Per window mienu bia no it cost you almost 70,000 Ghana cedis. Per window mienu bia no it cost you almost 70,000 Ghana cedis. Right now CCR me check here e ka ma bokra no kra oti abe surprise. Ebi ne gua bebrebe ati ase ebi ni on se ohwa paper no so a obehu ebi na ya choro e wo ha no ebi ni on the ohwa from on the 26th to 26 April to on the 16th April kwano o check here almost 300,000 Ghana cedis eco flat. Inti yenye se chicken change bina me yo ena edano so no enye normal say me see edan bi no edan a yede iron rods a eye 20 mm ena 16 mm ena ye inti wa bisa obi say edan a 16 mm any 20 mm iron rods no say ni city throughout edan ni nyina no ye the chemicals enuro ena afi ye the 42.5 R any ade ayen throughout per one one flow biano you're spending almost 300 to 320 to 320 bags of cement per one flow. The idea 2 blocks the pillars ye di begu nka flow nko and just imagine ye dan a enye sa dan no masisi no Kumasi ne Accra ubonse omo ya no ma hyehyehye blocks na omo akoto 32.5 R cement na omo de abe cast oti hono ma edan no kra oti mu ana uyam hyehyew ko nyame amoa ne nsuo to gidi audi agora ebu agu so ati ase ye two a form ye obabi a ye two form almost 9 to 12 feet iron rods ewura ho ye gu pillars every form was amana bedru sa level a ye erect and then enti e cost me sheda na me ye ne sa me be say me kire nkwala bi o mo teti kofodi ya ne say sa o Chinese car no ma totone nkora eni o ma ye de ye mpayimfo enti o mu ya o mu ye no mu njai say OPATAFUOR do ye young boy be say me kire o mo sa. So with all due respect, easy. Ernest Owusu says, hey, Papa, life-changing money that you are calling chicken change. I've not experienced chicken change before, Papa. Ernest, obey you. And my own money, how that? What you say? Enti nyese oba ya na Reverend Tinedu, yes, I understand you. Nanu kromu ntimi ya hwede no mbe obi antimi ya hwede. Enti obi ono ma on say ye secret roofing. Obi o ha ni secret roofing no normal. Me secret roofing no nko ano. Enye normal because parapet no kura na ye shame no. 6 feet interval. And imagine say you parapet no nko and no easy. Parapet no nko 6 feet and a na imagine say you share a few years gidi till say baby a so what you say nti extremely fortified secret room nti enya normal ifie say mashada suspended activities bebrebe me ba cha munya botrewati me wie ya me release funds say my essay my essay Reverend Tinedu how hono am krom ntimi nye o ya catch say flow me spending almost $1,500 of cement never cast ya o nye ya ka se koto 20 iron rods never be flow a o be ka se o nye fa bi ye pillars e be ka se o nye what you say nti nyame ni hire nipa Awurade hyira wa o ma ade nyina dibu a wona awie wuye enti me sa na metie me bibia me ye bia no me ye ma ne ye fefefe me ka so OPATAFUOR ma ya ade se ya ma ye me nye ya me nye enti nyame ni hyira nipa ya mbe hyira no enti nyame ya adom a ekina we are 12 but I made the video no footage ni be mamo na mahu baby a dine through a be live program, so that is how it is. Nana J Senior says I'm waiting to see how $2 million look like. Oh, $2 million na enye sika bia o minia enye sika bia e wom say sika but money hunu money enye normal sika se di ohunu na enye easy sa onyame ni di hire be ba cha wo question bia wetimi di aba na ye di nkomo wa abrabom. Gideon Omari and Kuma says, Papa, please, the perfume direction. Yes, I'll bring it. Anybody who tells you that I'll not come out with the perfume direction, it's a complete lie. Me de be mama surprise. On say, mashada and ma delay mu. Sanity. Mashada and ma delay mu sa mana be dru di edru. Na me de be mama me mama nkoto perfume abraham fa direction me mama da me de be mama pa me so me de mama so a me make sure say mo be fa bibi wa asase ni sa so please sanity enti kakra egusu ayede ye ko egusu edan no de ya buru bi egu ha dana isisi ni kra no aye liable asset in the world of business, liable asset, because the house is not bringing anything into my pocket, and I know baby me call fear insu atwama this also is careful botum sako fix it easy liable asset but di nyina na nya bibia o OPATAFUOR me ho dom na adoso is obi aba OPATAFUOR omo free America, omo free Germany, Italy, Spain, omo free Israel on buy obi wa oba obedi be 2 days 3 days opese oba papa nchen gise o mani baby so da ye won painful bi wo ha omo be me agise me ma omo baby da ntimi ni option gise ni sisi dan no full vantage areas na me digum sa na ja me dia receive my hoho sa na is OPATAFUOR me yo. Hey Gaban says, Papa, please help me to finish my 2 house. Oh, so for mommy, hey God. So for mommy, now fear me, you know way. Wow, Roger Joseph, that's a very nice dream. It's a very good dream. They were painful. It be a businessmen and businesswomen. It be a lawyers, it be a judges. It many option. I just said, open baby, and one more day. Omuya ye ba OPATAFUOR na obo OPATAFUOR abede de na koto ekurasi baby. There be that. I just say man, money enjoy life. And you be na bit ma kope guest house be na hotel amano. Obi o ha o pese o feel say wa ba OPATAFUOR ho. What you say? And na obi o ho so a efie no so ye nsifie say nyani nyina na obedamu say yesi fie say ni nyina na yebedamu a ka fie amasisi ka mitimi ndani nyina mu wie na mawu na so no me o sheda sifie ni bi efie ni bi o ha usi di tia obi ma ne hu se wo so wo ho na wayi wani sa na life ne tie eskafo efie bebrebe na o mu si nyese o mbedamu but ebi wo ha wo sheda si ni wayi wani na odi atia onipa ma nipa hu se wo so wo ho na wayi wani just like that ye wo fie bi wo kra ye sisi wie kra ye na mu da ye sisi wie kra ye na mu da ebi wo kra it will take you 6 months 3 months kra na min si ho da enfo mani ko he but esi ho a ye de tia nipa se masa we you odifo OPATAFUOR japade na obi su hu a who say yes OPATAFUOR so say wo hye ho enti sanete enti adofo nti enti ya chichem adofo ni bi wo ha omuniska enti mu amuniska no mpacho mbesrame a na mama eja said makọ mankranso achi ana kunsu sawunim kumasi Ashanti region kunsu na mama eja said mokọ ho no mo amuniska no na mokọ ho mo a wo ska ne de na me de waba paradise mama eja say e de waba paradise wo mo amuniska de me ya me ka kire eja say ya onfa mo nkọ mankranso achiri ho oduru ho so a ho me yen entontom ho na mama na bie entontom gate no mane nso aircon mane nso fan na entontom no wi yie you say mafia me be bo ano no rade nemom obana se enokwa eja se eji utu no aka se enokwa akwapa no kwalfo a na mama na ma paradise baako so ati ase na mama ya be ma enye mpafu bia o empapapa o ye oba ye de okoto queen size bed so wa o felia like oda empan so a na unyane a ubo se no kwasama mpa o ye oba I feel like a queen enna ya sisi ho sanso na o ye bema so a ye ma king size bed ya ma ensu papa adware oko Accra say ya Accra bebre omunsuo na nye udware a na nkyere wo mu na oho saa ya ohene na oho tetetete dabi we die baby a meme do bakwakoto no efie bi a meme de be ma o se dam bia no chese efie no laced with modern technology so what you say uraba house kra uhu baby a heater ana bibia wo eno an say ubie tap na obo shower na obo pa upe ensuo hia odi miadan no ho uhu baby be free adentia e was central command ne ensuo ni tugu hu sa ensuo hia na we enjoy life upe ensuo nyunu so a umia pa ne ensuo nyunu neighbor we here ultra modern magnificent. This is what we call opulence, an architectural masterpiece. And yet the obe ura bat house na water heater elbow down who about house one ube say water heater no na bodan ho ye wo efie bi wa wura mu a water heater no bodan ho ba cho nya ni bia we nya mu die ni bia o ana we susu enya asante akade eye heavy akade. Linda says, Papa, I'll be your first customer. Thank you very much. Don't worry, you are welcome. Enti sanity. Enti abrochirefo nti. Abrochirefo muntio. Mumubi me fere mo pa the way amusi ye good no. Abrochirefo mema bi ene abrochirefo maa bi omo ye good pa na the way omusi tie no me fere wo mo enti se obesra no ama na enjoy life wa ahwa akwa no amu anim agu ase obaka se opatafoɔ kra se no lie wo boa me pese obeka sa asem ni bi a kyerɛ me eni nti se obi ba me nkyɛn a pese me de ne to baabi a ɔno anka se ofiri ha no ɔkɔ a ewo si wono wabɔ bra wasisi fie de ba bia me de ne beto ene nioma obehunu wɔ nani so no. In fact ɔkɔ obeka se odifo patafoɔ ho or a modern guy ankasa. Oh my goodness. What you say? Saa tie mumu bebre me fere mo. Nti na me yes no pressure dam so. Enti yewo empa bi wo ha woda so a bo nse osisi ni hunam nyina ya bebre mo mpa na ha mo sa no. Oh mompa ene ha mo sa no. Moba mesa mam hasma. When my dear friend hasmas. Mumu bi mahu bi da. Muhu bi da. Mumu bi me mam hasmas. When my dear friend hasmas. When my de kodie. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Enti me ba cho ni die kwa so sa na tie. Na enye se ebia ba bia me di miti beto nti na me bresa da bi o. Mumu bi pressure wo me so. Efa mo ho enti. De bia no I just say me siesie me try say me upgrade it to a standard. So ne be ya mo so mu ba Ghana. Obi wo ho no obesra wa obe nani beje. What you say? Okay. Oh my goodness. Onyame tumi so. Onyame ne tumi ade nyina ayo. Israel yankopon. Eti nyame nshira obi bia. Aboa. Linda says, I'm signing up for a room for December. No problem. Linda, no problem, Mate. Now, OPE executive. And I say, OPE normal. Oh my goodness. Hey, Gabas of Mommy says, I'm coming down next year. Okay, don't worry, you're welcome. Don't worry. Anything yes, machi. Bye, me gusua. Yes, machi. Yes, machi. Roger Joseph says, Papa, why don't you build a prayer camp? Send a beya mo baby gu ho abebo mpaye o. Na soli mu agu me si prayer camp na me de yede. Me si prayer camp na me danya freedom say etimi ananti enjoy life. Huh? Asoli mu agu Roger, asoli na agu na me si prayer camp na se me nya fa ahudi osisi a me to zeneti mu no. Hwe me enjoy life sa. Ase Adam me to ziniti mu a me ba fie. Sa da me da ya because I say adesuwa bi ye free me matiri so me say Awurade enti say we ase e de say pa na metizinity amadwene oh kai Roger misro empia me enkoto asemu ai we prayer camp de me nka se me yebi eduro ne me yebi ameka kire ba sisi apa de dabi dabi hey mami jimeni why you say me enjoy life me free zone. There is a who says, Prof, the twins too are coming down next year. We want executive room. You, Mati, don't worry. I'll give you executive room. Right? My mama executive room. My mama, and no, just say, wow, shit. Baby, ujina na ujare no kura utimisa ha. We die day ya Yesu betena ha. Said the hoye nice. Na ho smell good. Na wow, shit modern technology. Na ohwe bata sokra light ebubo ho na ohwe chese se de yesi ho na wa se o kan kure se no kure we die Yesu wa hampa what you say enti enzuru why Nana J says, Papa, the day you shared all your church properties and the media stations items, I asked myself, which man of God will do all this if he doesn't have more than enough? Oh, yes. And ya me person me be a TV station. Me, OPATAFUOR me tiwolo. Say ne ya me person me be a TV station, be one. Me the new one fresh, ebeba instant. And ya meso TV no be just 3 months krana must be a TV station. It's just that me nyanye ma adwene say me ya sorry. So all them person chiro. Me nyanye ma adwene say me ya sorry. It is say me ko so TV sisi ya me ni option. I just say me baba ya sorry. Me so me person me ya sorry sisi ya. Me person by 2030 echi and 2029 mu ho baby na my ya sorry. Sisia dear me enjoy life. Oh yes, I'm bringing Las Vegas to Kumasi. So while be Caribbean, who call OPATAFUOR me call Vegas. I'm going to Vegas. Come and enjoy life. Roger Joseph says, Papa, then you are not fair with us. How did Roger my head? You see, that's how it is. So sure. Radio TV station they are saying just a chicken change of 1 to 2 million Ghana cedis. We will establish new TV stations this year. Just a chicken change. Just 1 million Ghana cedis, which is approximately, let's say, $90,000 to $100,000. $90,000 to $100,000. You can establish your own TV station. Ghana obetimi establish it. Nti enye skebia. He says, but without the gambling part. Yes. Nyame fie di obeda to chacha ho, but untimi to chacha ho nyame fie. Debi. So that is just by the way. You must understand the realities of life and then get yourself prepared. Abrochirefo ni bi wo ha me fere wo mo pa yi me fere wo mo sisi my ohene atias my Judafo ohene so atias ye yankopon ya aduma junior e be mi Judafo ohene. Now imagine my adofo so adoso mpemfo edi mechi lawyers for judges for doctors for teachers for nurses for business women, businessmen, individuals who dimechino adults until many option. So that is the reality. Who else is? Ebenezer Junior says, please, Papa, read those coming from Kroboland. We want executive room. Mo Krobofoɔ. Boni amodi ayemi no. Menem wo problem. Wa oye kroboni bia wo lie we su bia me no wo problem. Me betena I can say pom ewo krobodumase. Me betena krobodumase. Krobofo man krobo no am kire me no kra no. Akwa no kire me krobo no. Se o hyeda ma me kodidi obi atem. O ka kire me say no kire say good morning. So madam for pass you. Madam for pass you. Madam for power ye kroboni I friend tete. Na wo kire me krobo kasa na o say me kwa me nkase. Enya ayo agro ya sempa no amma kodidi obi atem. So na satam mu amwo a com station hono se but unim se enipa ankasa owo ho atukwan o enipa ankasa owo ho atukwan na se matena kumase saa mintu kwan da minko any part of Ghana da. Now one day me call. Wow. Linda says I went to secondary school at Krobodumase. Oh really? Wow, that's very nice. Now do you know say na yedeme first day me free Kumase na me call Atimpoku. Na me drew Atimpoku. Na omo ton wevi adode ne omo aduane bi ni nioma bi. Na in fact me drew ona me kogina adome bridge ne so. Na me hwe nsuo na da hotetrete. Na me hwe bridge ne so a. Na me re aho. Ana me sa ma chi sa ba fie. Na me ba fie no ana me begina I was say baby I met him. If floor 39 steps. Na yeti main road. Yeti main road. Na me betena a restaurant ho. Na me ti hodi. Na krobofo ni di nkomo. Aigbefuo no susu di nkomo. Na me nte kasa no. Ena we Canadian. Uni ma asema ba meeting. Asema ba meeting say opatafuo. Okra kwasi. In fact, ene de madura chiri. Na we kuro obi bum ya hwa na begime. We de mu wade e kwan wa. Minim obia. Na fe meti wodi be. Me say almost 3 weeks to 1 month na me raho minim obia ho me say we de madura chiri de omo ton abolo iwe vi anade ndie na mayedim say na now do you know something? Trust me, the Krobo people are very good when it comes to hospitality. They open hospitality Krobo for number 1. Meeting a lot of tribes, but hospitality, the Krobo people, number 1. They don't have much. Krobo people no omu ni much, but little now omu ye very good, very good, extremely good. Afi mi di 1 month. Neja mikonya enkrani boy bi ye friend Kujo. Na Kujo yi misola na mi di Kujo achi. Se wu Kujo unim suo madware, mi nim suo madware. And one day mi di Kujo achi. Ana me call fra onim. Akwana to no ho ato suo yi mu. Asantini uni nsuo wo twaka asantini uni nsuo wo twaka mikodi kudwa achi na uni the frau no se wa hwe ya nsuo ne friend frau no ebe deceive you because ujina nsuo no a ani no edadi but I never knew say nsuo no at the speed power nsuo na se afemi gina nsuo na no kakra bi within bare 4-5 minutes me hu se obi asama se no ma to nsuo no enti ma adwene ye me se jam no bi na bom na ma to nsuo not knowing say speed na enam wo nsuo na se nsuo ni se ne kono eno na ayi me na se enete ne saa ti yi ya na ebu ho ne gum very 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 swift say enu ti na omo de turbine no akoto nsuo na se a speed na enam no air propelling turbine na etimi generate electricity me so na mini idea bia na uni nsuo ya samase na mi hu ba bia mi amini adware me so amintimi na lucky ni say enkrani boy kudwo no hu me no dware ya ba bia mo na obeso mi efiri ho mi hu nsuo fra am tim hwe ni dinam say wo sune me I will not even come closer to where you are. Master, hey, go. Eti, you see, I stayed at Impoku. Wow, Fifi Esuma says in 1998 I was in Atimpoku. Wow, that's very nice. That's very nice. So at Impoku, I stayed at Impoku for almost a year, something then about. And Sana Meko Akosomo particularly. Enti metena Akosomo. Enti Akosomo na aya na mi friko Krobodum ase. Any home station. Sana netie. So WW, I never eat the sun. Mendi we no. And in Sana netie. So the Krobo people are very, very nice. Very, very, in terms of hospitality wise, there are people that you can't exempt them when it comes to hospitality. Very good people. Very, very kind. So that is just by the way. Enti sanetio. Ti baby am kobiano, I try to leave a legacy over there, so that no matter what, you will surely remember me, and that's the whole fact. Eti nyame sa wom ebeyi tumi erade dia. Sanetio. Hey, eda me call Atimpoku dia me rehoy. Na obi e gina ho na obi e ka krobo kasa, obi e ka wona kasa. Me hu obi a o ka twi wo ho na me ra ho so na ai mi am se na de maduru achi me tuhu kro bi ante. Oh, that's very nice. It's good. So to say obi a watu kwan akọ America foforo na bia untu kwan da. I'm guessing how your experiences will be like. Maybe mo call UK, mo call Canada, mo call Germany. Any mo tutu kwan wo abrochire no. Mo first time mo do abrochire no, say na mo ani so time. Sa na net you. Hey, abrabonye easy. Nyambe. Okay, that's please, with all due respect, you can as well bring your questions. I'm trying to write something down. If you have. Roger Joseph says, so how many languages do you speak? Roger, na me catch the wa. Ebeye den na debi o bo me hopo. ewo kasa bi mu amachini achew. Oh, when I tell you that maybe meet me akakasa say ya, oh boy me ho pa me de no mahu. Nana J says, Papa, today if you go to Atimpoku, you won't recognize the place. Oh, Adentia. Adentia. Atimpoku, I'm always there. Last year I was there 3 times. Last year I was in Atimpoku 3 times. Baby, Omabesi also drew Atimpoku station. Let's assume say free palm neighbor who drew Atimpoku station. I will share a sort of baby Omabesi a new hotel bini a you were honomono. Sa hotel no. If you be na one anameti you. One anameti. Okay, somebody says, very true. 3 days after my arrival in UK, I saw snow everywhere and I was afraid. It happened to everybody. It happened to everybody. So that's just by the way. That's just by the way. Yes, exactly. They call it Bridge View Resort. Yes, exactly. They all can in the credit. Sa ehono. Sa baby and no ma be sit down or ehon sa Bridge View no. Ehon na me di nantwie kwa didi. Ehon na me di enwan no eko mo amko like me komantam enwan no ho no ma didi ho na me di o maba. So if you don't know, let me tell you the truth. Ehon na me kotwa esere. Me kotwa esere de bre grass cutter na ye no ofie no e wa Atimpoku. Baby a Bridge View was here. Ona na me kotwa esere de bre grass cutters. Aaron Boate, thank you very much. Radin Shira, why? Radin wow. Oh, Felix Bibi says, please, Papa, why do you call our father Jacob Tumfo? Oh, so Jacob, also Nyankopon, onipa bia no ho wa asase so a osefata se yakase oyo Tumfo. Onipa bia ni ho wa asase we so osefata se yakase oyo Otumfo. Eye Onyankopon pe ne ye Otumfo. What you say? The castle Otumfo a ase ne say oye tumidifo a woso na wokron na uni sesofo woni Otumfo no oye tumidifo a odi ade so a woso na wokron na uni sesofo. So what you say? Into Onyankopon na efre no Otumfo. What you say? Enti because of say enipa bia beba asase we so na omofa edin yefre no Otumfo ni ntino. I was say o kasa o ye specific na o chirem. And in the Bible, they say, Jacob Tumfo. The mighty God of Jacob. Jacob Tumfo. Inti, Utumfo no. Onyankopon kwa ne friend sa. But, emre abetwam, ene mre ya yewo mu no. Enipa afasa edin no. Inti this all specific say, Otumfo na America na asem e Otumfo we ya. So what you say? It is sanity. Until those days now me dey sana abramonity. So let's get back. Please, who a question Fabra? Yes. Nanaji, yes. Sanity. Media Roberta Adukusi says, Prophet, you can say you are half Krobo now because you are also connected to the tribe, especially at Tipoku. Media, me a tribe bear me and sound. Me a tribe before. Me ma me papa. Nyina ye asantini pio. So what you say? Me papa ye wiamu ase ni. O ye wiamu ase de se kronkron a. Omo di wiamu ase akonya. Nti me papa ye wiamu ase de se. Me maame. Enso so ofiri Kumase agogo heya. So what you say? Me maame omfiri achirichiri agogo heya. Ye okuro bi o agogo Kumase asante mama agogo heya enye agogo no hwan baby a nana akuaku sapon edi hene no mpacho nye ho ye wa agogo atwema agogo heya na meka wasem boaso ye fre baby boaso but me nko me ma me kuro mu da me ma me kuro me nko hoda me papa kuro mu nko na manyini enti me papa kuro na mde aye me bibia but yese eba onyini ewo osifie but onka ho right according to Asante culture Asante amamre no so oni oba wo a enkwala no ye oba no dia enye be ma ne dia nti omo wo ebebuo se eba onyini wo osifie ba ontimi nka ho which means you can live in your father's house, grow, excel, become prosperous in all things in your father's house. But in as much that you grow in your father's house doesn't necessarily mean that you remain there permanently. That's what the proverb is all about. Enti me maame ne me papa omo kwatena sehwi tienie asantefo ni mienu no omo kwatena sehwi enti sehwi akontomra sehwi akontomra ho ne ye wo me ya wo me hospital me ya wo me hospital ye wo me wo efie no so wo wo me no kramoni fie na me maame ne me papa omakọ afuo mu omo ba nti afuo na omo ba omo duru kramoni no ni fie ho a na kura ye ene de mo si fie ba ye first na ye kura enti omo duru akura ho no ena awo ka me maame saa time no na kramoni no oni ho but kramoni ba no ena na wo ho ye frɛ no maame asetu nti maame asetu eni on say nkramofo like ontimi maame enwo kramoni ni dem because mo mpɛ saa dem right saa time so no kramoni no eye eja ye frɛ no eja kwadwokusase saa time eja kwadwokusase no ekusase ni eja kwadwokusase na kura ho no eye dan baako ena kitchen baako but kitchen no waye ne double ena efa ba bi sei wodi bamboo ye kasa bamboo no brofo kasa no brofo mu bamboo no eye twi mu pampro tienie brofo mu bamboo eye twi mu pampro but omo matena kura ase ne de ombewu se bamboo a ye nwene ti say bamboo ye bamboo a ye nwene wo ho ye no ye ni made efre ne bamboo saa na tie enti ye ho me ma me duru ho no no ena awo kan enti body haban ana mu twa no ho no mo de se ho ewo enwambuo ni nchen ba ne kitchen ni bom ena maame ne Fred maame asetu oje be maame awo ena me maame ewo me wo ho nti me yawo me hospital yawo me obabia hospital da bi da fie aye akurase typical village nti typical village and your woman nti omo wo me to ho gram no according to maame asetu say about 7 hours. Tender it dry continuously 7 hours. Emma kitchen na omo dwa no kitchen na omo si na ni dwambuo no na amango esi dwambuo n'echi. Now tender dwa ya ma be si amango dua nim ema eja tom ansana omo ye ya for some time enti me ho me ma me you all right enti omo sie akire ade na omo sie akire ade na placenta ni we nyina wiye ansana omo de me come papa akura enti me papa according to me papa no I said na wotwe mienu pepepepe omuko ono me papa no ko afuom ena oja me maame ofie ento oja me maame ofie no na me maame soso eja me wodem ena owo abonten satam no be 5 something ekobo be anumere 6 ento oja me wodem no no ewo abonten ena oye aduane de aduane na oye me maame no na adwene enko so ndomo me papa pie ho saa no na osonioma se akola 2 weeks no masori agina ho no ma be gina kwana no. This is not a fabricated story, real thing. Enti me papa hu saa ne yam hye no ene oto nioma na esu ni nyina tuguye na odimirika no otiam frɛ maame sɛ hwakwala no de waye to osu jai say ujai de oye ni free kitchen ho na kiki oba ento mo hwɛ mi di opagya me no wanti ase on say tete wo no empayimfo no omo nti bibi ase a ombekɔ abusa enti ɛhɔ na mpapa kɔ abusa ɔkɔ wo mu enim fom hɔ ekobusa sɛ mawo akwala bi bata akwala no na wotwe mienu ni me kɔba ya no ogina hɔ enu na onte ase ansa na odi hufuo na me papa kɔ consult no onya abotre na ɔkyerɛ ni mu bibia kyerɛ ni bibia mu kyerɛ like ɔkyerɛ ni ko deep yo kan de me nkan fa nkyerɛ enti uhwɛ mu a by birth me yes sehwini what you say by birth it say we Ghana ni akɔwo wɔ America bia we Ghana ni akɔwo wɔ America enti by virtue of birth we American ni nanso so ufiri Ghana enti me asantini but by birth ya wo mu sehwi akontomra ntimi sehwini oh my goodness. Thatch roofing. Okay, Reverend Tinedu says bamboo roofing is called thatch roofing. Okay, so by birth me sehwini, by origin me asantini. So what I say, and I'm a cotton krobo any angonafuo mu into krobo ni angonafuo ene tete me. What I say? Aha. Enti me nyini wo krobo ni angonafuo nsem. Enti efo no ebi wo mitirim. Enti na me bɔ mafia pa. Yeah, sanity. Enti more experiences in these diverse cultures when it comes to the Ewe people, the Krobo people, the Sefi people, and then the Ashanti people. Oh yes, I will check. Into me, I will check 7 women. And the sana me life no koye sana me life no koye ti sana tie. So basically that's how it did happen, because I actually had my basic level of education in Akosomo. So in Akosomo too, most of you are aware that when it comes to the Akan people, we are not that populated at that place as compared to the Krobo and the Ewe people. And I stayed in a class full of Ewe people, Krobo and Krobo teachers, and then Ewe teachers as well. Nti yehona metina Krobofo ne angonafo nsem ena msua aborofo ka. First na mete borofo na me ba Asante the year 2010 910 na kontomre na eni abunabunu nkwan no na midi na meketere manyina ebutu na meketere mebutu edi de we ana msiti borofo no wie na mpacho abunabunu nkwan no ahohoro ma adwene mu nyina ma isei menti borofo bi saa na ti it is so as you say ya ka umitirimu aye mafia and the mafia de me ya de pa me ga sa me bo mafia metimi abo mafia ma wa feel say opatafo aye mbibi. Jeffrey says, does it mean that if you are born and it rains, does it have a meaning? Well, it depends. It depends. Mine wasn't rain. Mine wasn't rain. We have rain. But this is a lightning. The seventh thunder, which is recorded in Revelation. They are the one who blew the trumpet by telling people around that I have arrived on earth. Yes, standing on your feet at the age of it's so amazing and shocking. It's so amazing and shocking. It is not possible. This is a story that when my father told me, I myself, I didn't believe it. Catch a fabricated story, or catch or swear by a life, or say no man, or yes, or very mechi, and the man a yes or very mechi. And to me, swang, now I come at the actually. So that's how it is. Yes, Linda says, Elizabeth says, what does it mean when the corner of your right eye twitches often? It depends. Sometimes there might be a spirit that is present at that moment, or maybe they are trying to send a signal to you. Nyama mako onyamede communicated to enipa. What do I say? You see, due to my nature, and he said, "You know, Missy no. Ye ha me pa ye. Ye ha me pa ye. Imagine say, enye easy when I was coming up. Enye easy cry, but unim. Adeɛ baako na me life tie. Me life no maye enipa bia se me ka say yes yes till what you say and can you say and ka de makomu Erade na nkasa kro no to metwetwene asase wi so ono akura timi ka say maso wa hwepa yi akwani asa nyina mu atiti nyina mu aninguase nyina mu obre ne amane hunu nyina mu esoso wan betray me da na ma Jacob tumfo odi enhyira ne tumi we ma me no ene na ma o ma me tumi se metimi aba ne piem metimi aba na asaso na mabegye ahintasem mabegye nimdeɛ awu sɛ ube trust wo bi a o trust nipa na afei nipa no get closer to you a onfa ho nti me brɛ yie ma brɛ pa o atamfo ni abonsamfo aha me yie enti there was a time Jacob tumfuo abra obie mani eduru mpempensuo bi no eno ka kire me se me or the meto desert so or the meto desert so a desert now there's a story about me, and the story goes like this. Tamwa mimi yadimi 2 years odifu kesiye bi ohume sa odifu no Ghana enti abro odifu oni hume no ene okọ Jacob tumfu okọ sere ni se onfa me emma no ana Messiah ne ka kire ni se onfa me emma no onfa me emma no na Messiah no ka kire agya ne se ono ankasa be training ni ono ankasa be tete me ono ankasa be tete me personally edi I say right from Sadia na esiye no na akoye bibi se agya ne se adentina Messiah ne so fond of me enti ema ensohwe no said the Matthew chapter 4 ye to Yesu to esere ne so say uncle proving loyalty me so sai bi no mo de ye me enti omo to me to esere so say me improve me loyalty say no kure say me gina ho ama agya no enti esere na omo to me to twene so no eno na onyame ahonhom enso ni nyina no sa tenda na ebom de na omo wo me no sa 7 ena ma omo nyina so me hwe enti otan no me hyase experience tini otan no me hyase experience ewo me ma me side. There's a whole lot of stories between me and my mother. Enye ni nyina na metimi aka kiro enti otan no hyase firi me ne me ma me ntem abra na miswa. It got to a point she didn't care. It's like her biggest wish was to wake up one day and see me not alive. But I don't blame her because it was part of the test. So imagine somebody who is KG2, me obi amo KG2. Obi amo imagine obi amo KG2. Na me nanti free bokaso. Na maba seshi akontomra. Every single day na me ba school. Enyen true obi ana me wo KG2 because me be call class 1 ewo asantemam. So obi ana me wo KG2 as at that time. KG1 now. Na me nanti form from seshi bokaso. Na my best school. Now, only my amazing thing. A child of my age, as at that time, not only me 90 form sir. And most of the time, I'll see an old man. Not automatic na call home. And all of a sudden, now my peer school compound. This is not a fabricated story. It's a real story. Some of the things that I've experienced. That is why I keep on telling you that when I come to tell you, say, there is God, don't deny it. Because we are making me prove it. Now, busa obia anawo a wohwe mi. Busa say akwala wo KG1 KG2. Ono kura nano say na ate. Nyansa say no wo. Eso busa me ushi ada obehu mi papa no. Busa say oso me nsa edi mi ko school pen. Me papa mfoma nko school pen da. Say me de me ba no osa. Say me ba no osanti me didn't number papa only time because on anopa ye be sorry be 5:30 no na me papa woni fie okọ afuom enti e be ka ye me maame eni me ba me maame dware mi wi a then obeka chere se me ntwen ye wo janshi bi wo ha ye kotwen na empatam hofuo nyina na yabehia na yeko saa time no na etwetwetire wo sahwipa yi saa se we are making those days na etwetwetire wo sahwia kontomra saa time na obete sahwi gina se baabie ni sahwi inche sama boy ye twani pati saa time no enso me obi antwa mi ti da manhia obi oso betwa mi ti da. What you say? Until obi or class, obi or KG1, KG2 picture, and then enkwala or KG1, KG2 no. Send wo musu city here. Na me pato uria ko Google sisi a. Nebusa say from Akontomre to Sehwibokaso. And what ye but ewa. Na a child of my type. KG1, KG2 na me 93 over school Monday to Friday, clean to clean. And Busa say, any mystery. It sounds very mysterious. What you say? The hatred started building up right from my mother's side. She never cared for me. She never liked me. But today, it pains me that she's not alive. If she was to be alive, I would have given her a powerful, magnificent architectural masterpiece. And come see dying back. And come see fie. I would do me. Nam the man say fat. They said the me me papa. That is just by the way. So what do you say? Those days, hatred building up. And sana hatred ebe ura near me biological siblings, my brothers and sisters. And sana ebe ura omumu. And sana ebe ura me external. Ebe ura me soa me mami mianamu me wafanu mu kra ansana. Chese obia ni ho eba ni tirim se abusia no kra ye obi wo honum na akwala bi wo abusia nim na ye nkonhwehwe no eti ekoba se de aduro no se menya obi no ode mi kọ ba bia mekọ sa ne kọ ye se because baby am won me wo fa bia nka me wo fa bia mfa me ho me maami bia mfa me ho me suwa bia mfa me ho me nua bia mfa me hu me nua bia like sorry say or ba me nche enti me so me conclude wo metirim say e de me hia obi a ne so ode me betu kwan a ba bi ode me ko bia mekọ se me kona de o se me nyi bia meye what you say enumti otan no e hyase otan no e hyase na mi swakora na minim hwe nti eye tough man nti na metena nkrofo nchen just like that metena nkrofo nchen sa nti eduru mere bi no ansa na Jacob tumfo o ka kire me say ɔde me to ɛsere so ɛne asase pɛsɛ so a ɛso yɛ anwea pradada ɛne ɔmaa me principality a ne ho ɔden ɛsene semai sɛ saa principality no on build me but on make sure say ɔde me be pass it through a lot. Enti most often no de ya no ta visit me na ye Messiah no eduru mere bi so a on visit me. Enti eye pain after pain after pain after pain. Enti me no ye build me free esere so. Enti mani edin papa. Me ye tough guy. Me ye tough guy pa. Me a tough person. Me kase me hawa. Met me a hawa ma wawa feel say yes. Akwa no ha me ampa. Eti me obi so a me slow to act. Me show di me nkasa. But nyese de wo ye me hu ye o mahu. Ada me punu me minimu say sa da no bo say ubo say yes ampa obi a osose ne wakasa. Sa na me suban tie. Enti eyesere so ne yetete me wo fa bia ni ho me wo fa bia ni ho a wache me atena se aka kire me se o tu me fo da bi madam fu bia ni ho me bibia e Jacob tumfo e de na abeka kire me abrabo no eti sa pawa yesi ugbo animu na anya oda na ogbo akiri me abrabo no mabo animu ogbo akiri abo nchenchen nyina enti mehia tumidie mehia ahonhom makinkan books the ka books are me di books pa ye enti enye easy sa me a tough pan who sa no me a tough fucking me ka say me ball mafia memu afili say yes memu afili say my ball enti me lifestyle no me no ka say sisi a unim say me nko am ti mi shedem obi a ma me ho obi a man be a 3 months 2 months me nko am ti mi a shedem unim say me yes ade unim de ntia so wo ye ka say yes ade na untimi onko a wote ho elo a ahwe a obewu but saa yawo no enum ni de building me enti na mi mpie nko ba bia ne de bia me shedem 24/7 my edin obeba kraka so obi ani fie ho me shedem saa eti me wo mere a me de yesunsu nyuma me dele ankasa me de enti na one me ya ade a wo ye de untimi defeat me da me metimi atenase full 6 months full 1 year na me de adele wa break you into pieces sana me training me ni adamfo bi obehwehwe me na ana me so me ko obi okọhwe bia anopa me kwa bontia me frɛ agya sɛ ya then he comes in to pick me up or me ko ba bia me ko wi a ono then he returns me back or me ba enye se ye kokora ye bechew ye nche kitwa bi numa sa ba fie enti obi a oye sa type na ono ko atimi ehye demo a onipa emben no psychologically ni tiri mu onte psychologically oye tough psychologically oye mafia spiritually mafia physically mafia in terms of emotional wise sanity. This is how I was built. Indeed, me catch you say Nyankopon ho a sister no kro nyame wo ho pa ye. So when Jesus got to his 12 years of age, abra Yesu nya 12 years o maame no papa obi ahwehwe no ntina Yesu na adwane ye ko Egypt no ono an ani nam sa konyini ye bobra di wiase no life no like abrabo na awobon ti ase say die besi bia no you accept it wiase ti ase say no matter what would die besi bia no you accept it die besi bia no you accept it. And so that is just by the way. That is just by the way. Just accept it. Say the BCBR and Ujitu. Nti sɛ wone obi te hɔ a akwalaa bia wobɛwo na otimi tena se di obia ankɔ no ho a ɔmfa no ho no saa akwalaa no ne dele a careful na ne tiri mu ɔden pa nti abrabɔ no ye mu bi no ye tro abrabɔ mu exams at the early stage. At the early stage, pan ye tro abrabomu exams. Abrabomu exams. At the early stage, pan ye tro exams. Yo nsembi oha. It's about me. Say me kasa me can't chira okra o yembe show. What you say? Alice, please, it will take place at the premises where I am building those 2 houses, okay? Here. Nana J says, please, why do great people in society are mostly brought to this earth through a poor or less respected family? Yes, God normally do so because a better than John Mahama, a Jani Basse, the Eni Omeye. Better than another Danko Kufuado, a giant basso made the knee. Aquala ya wono tumo efia sika wo your mama ba sika wo fie ho nanado ba sika wo fie ho. Better no aka kire Sharaf say guy ne friend say mama Ewra mama ba boy no Sharaf say Sharifu I don't know me refinidin. Obeda aka kire say onye fasting 40 days. Abrobe solini annual jollof rice, chicken wings, any chicken thigh, any you can say crow take ni adie nyina ofie. O say sa akwala we onkonkoye fasting. Obeda no watimi ni Jacob 2:4 ananti. Jacob 2:4 so otiti nipa. Ntini e friend kwanche ndinsi na oso abrefo no. So ati ase. Enti ontimi mfresi kani bada Genesis to Revelation on phrase kani bada on free bisuda because kani bia no obeja ne base onkoye nko adwuma ya yeyi ebi wo ha mete hwa Jacob 2:4 timi ka kire me say ye fast go to the bush. Do you know say tell some no ka say Jacob 2:4 timi ka kire me go to the bush, I want to communicate with you. Huh? Bua Jacob was it Tuesday? No, I think Thursday or was it Wednesday? Thursday or Wednesday? Jacob 2:4 was Kobush. Your Kobush. Ye nioma sa ye nioma and sana me befi. Na initially no, I think say Tuesday was a and a message by say or sort of person on me kasa enti bofo na the message man no cry me yes oh okay yeah ene say ene Sunday na nkama ye 6 to 6 bi na me di akobush eso Thursday ni yire me ni option na me me two ka pa ko gina ho etiemu a tontom awurade a kanfo ni mani ye abra tumi free soro baaye me ye de me ye nyina wie ye me free bush baaye ma wie o ya wie operations corona adwuma na papa ne de share me inside me wie ni that day no na e was say ye toaso anadwo no ye koye operations ni nyina wie anadwo be tu obi ada no na ye nam na de ya se me se me nye no na me ye me wie anadwo no so me wie etoa mu abeduru enra anadwo be 1 obi ada no de on na ye kura no onso nim de wo ye de wo gi match dia afe no wo play romance so play na me nko a ya kamasim koyese kan say sa adwuma wi sikani be na be ma ne ba aye owu adwuma say ni bisa wo mo a mo hwe me mo nye justice to myself sikani be pa na be ma ne ba aye sa adwuma wi Yewra Mahama on man ba enye adwuma wi da my goodness. Me naida opatafuo me naida anadwo bia me ni wo ye life wia me wie yo me cut me sane out na me go offline empire metimi abukotodwe e o baabi faako ye nioma manabo be 233 ibi o ha akwankyere ibi o ha edimande se me kwa abonten obi o ha o pesika me ye mano ibi o ha ni sika juma no ebedi 3 days obi di ebedi 1 week obi di ebedi 2 weeks me come me yem nioma nyina wie na nipa no ma ye ansa na ma friend no ma ye sika ne de amano me ye emusunsum juma nyina wie na ma ye sika ne de amano obi o ha ne de ye nkrata asem obi de ye ahobambo obi de ye ayaresa. I have a lot on my desk. Iti eduru mire bia na ma shada memba online kinji amema online no bi o ha na adwuma na pile wo me so then na me gina ho na me ye ho ebe de na president akasa ne banye sa adwuma wi ubewu president kura ampere president kura ampere. Ebenezer Dunya says, please, Papa, does it mean you don't welcome our great father in our house? No. Even Obeba Kra, just say, Anajube 2:30 to 3, and Naho Atoni Paso, and Sana Jacob 2 for Besani our ba. Then no crown or ba. More honor, more feel comfortable. Because energy na ebesane aba no untimi entina most of the times no tete adifo nyina na omko biposo na omakohia no because we pone de oba obi ani ho eye nua ne mepone ade ne wo ho enti say ahohomoni bi na wo ha no akle ahohomoni no then no one have one on one but efie so see Jacob 2 for mra efie de hebeye din oba untimi nyina no ene omo ofie on so munya muntimi kura muntimi because the vibrations alone a ebedi nanim aba no vibration no kura betimi abudan no ebetimi ama onioma akeka abom me nsom saa mo nyame ni bio ha opese ohu de medi na chi na eya hwese de oni Mose ni Elia mo nante eya ya gani o mimi tumi die na mesum no ya gani enye calendar nyame na mesum ya gani what do you say aha enti me kasa tumi beba me metimi aka kire o say kogina ha time say ugina ha bo se no owemfo bi aba ha metimi aka se kogina ha time say ubo ha na owemfo na ba. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what we call power. Enye mo de na tutuo ba ko e pay no da bi mpacho menye sabi sanity eti responsibility na da me so no. In fact a responsibility a eso, especially when mo join divine destiny clan. Sa divine destiny clan oh ha obo se na message efri Jacob 2:4 ha ba say o mano emu baako bia daytime no wanya spiritual encounter see and say no maye won kra ho say no maye no ni sunsum ho eti bi wo ha gise ni pie gise ni pie no makoye sa nipa no ho adwuma bi wo ha omo join divine destiny clan ebi wo America, ebi wo Germany, ebi wo Italy, ebi wo Spain, ebi wo Israel, ebi wo Nigeria, ebi wo Accra, obi wo hono ma de ato no ana de ebeto no wo America no ontimi ntwa plenty kiti ma na so nam se ni ti ehye tumi na asenti no me na me te tumi no tumi ni be ma me signal no akire me say ene ekoso then me ma ye fast na makwakoye ne ho adwuma e de ama no bia no obekọ amaniem bia no obekọ hawmu bia no obekọ kwadanem obi o ha na wakohia tumi bi no wasai ni shebre sanity. This has always been the norms of the day. Spiritual battles are me come every day. Me wo me mabia omo bear me me spiritual sons and daughters almost so bear me ebi asofo ebi anyuntofo ebi a businessman individual unim de meye o ha bo se na omo signal ba obi o ha me ba me mani bi o ha omo timi kwaje match o timi nse no esikafo yi omo wo me hoyi obi timi kwaje match na oba na okwaje match no na oba na nye na oba na bie gate na oba na bie gate ato me ba no ho se ne be ya otwease ne betimi afam no obeha no enti e wase anadwo no mimi signal me ba ya na o se me ko close spiritual gate no se ne be ya onya kwan saa de na wakoye na ma ekwan abeda no ho no isa me saa close no enti wo mi jame mpaboa de ma wo ede mi jame mpaboa de ma wo ede a se shempaboa no a mi pa cha ontimi shempaboa no because me hear a lot of words. They imagine opatafuo me nko na me fight you, me fight enkrofo die mi wia na masa be komia me ntokwa o de hwemanim din mi am ntokwa o hwemanim a enye obi na beka cho se me na se me da anye se ne manim be ye me na mi wia ma be kom ntokwa emu akonfo emu adunsifo malamfo occultic society asofo a esie nantwie ye tro mi din opatafo go ho na ye di nantwie na hye fom ni nyina ne se omo bari mi no omo abrema se santo kwa we nyina e wo se me ko obi wo ha wo ye high end wizard nansen me kontokwa bi na santokwa no me ko santokwa no wie ya anadwo no awo bi a atigu me so no me hu say yes we a match enti say me kontokwa no anadwo no say na agya say so ahu ono so woni fie no say na wahu say me ye operations anadwo e wo dem na wahu principality pa ena politician bi a owo Ghana akotunu because of person wey president na just say omani moja enti abra principality ni masa nipa na person wey president no ade a wo de ba Ghana afi na ebe fa nipa kra. It is so unfortunate. Krana 2 million peke no na me baba ako e wombi enti na wo se me koje no se me isi se me ginu wia na e wo se me say 2 million na 2 million 2 million me ntokwa pa 2 million me ntokwa enye nkwala ntokwa eti gise me so me fresh squad eduru anadwo a ye kowo sister bra eduru anadwo opatafo me kowo ye fresh squad omukura weapons akese eduru anadwo a me kowo me kuntokwa me ye botuo two weapons e ma bi count weapons betimi account na oba na wa be yi wa be san ho yare what you say nya ye ne honam ni moja na enya no ye ni tumidie empainie ene nkabre ewiase sumu tumidie a wonfa wani hu hwe me bo match e ma me am hu say in fact ma kontokwa but principality ya sa politicians we according na answer there in fact onye principality ketwa ansa na me overcoming na me free spiritual na me spirit ebe wura me nipadua ni mu na me back na at once na awo atie gu me so mano e wo so gba adentia because no onye small spirit onye small spirit ene e cause how much now imagine say a free say o teme nka eye ne mumu bi ho mo teme nka 2018 mumu bi ho 2010 2011 na mo sha ase teme nka magina mu sa bepem nam ye defeat me da ndu fi se me da me sole na me da enki ye defeat me sole amenda o me sole amenda me konto kwankasa me sole a me konto kwankasa obi o ha me mani bi o ha omutimi capture no nom de na kohye asase ase ebi o ha omutimi de ukọ epoase spiritual world bi omde ubeko bia no agi se me ye follow up ne ma ba bejiw na obi a principality okay Daniel chapter 10 verse number 13 Bible say abrana Daniel ebo mpaye no Persia ba pomba ni mu baako abra angel Gabriel eba no o chi no enti wo ha me mako request anasema place me request ewo awrade animu no na omasoma ahonhom se omomfa answers ne mra no ebi wo ha high end principality ebi wo ha omohye burumu omutimi pie se omo be capture enhira no there was a time principality baako ohye bunum mi hu se de ne bantie na o capture mi nhira baako me kosreji komtumfo se Omame Adom. That was the year 2022. The year 2022. Principality kesiye pa ohye bunumu a ompie ena principality ba kono oji enhira no ena ode koma asa principality ni se onu mom na no ho ode na obetimi me enti on face me cause our principality nanim sa 3 times me kwa enye easy ansa na me be fasting na principality no mutuality say ya na tu na asabeti abesi so weapons ame Jacob tumfo dia mama me two weapons na e kana no a disappear into a disappear ne ma yusu tumi a etimi locate baby a tumi a wa disappear wo se me to sa tumi no na e locate baby a tumi na wa disappear no na akotwe na ba etwe ne ba onye small spirit me fighting no enti tamu a me ni wie ye no me the fight no efirifie me fighting sama me ni sa tumi no ye last match ye be born wo Zenith I saw them until the year 2022 sa principality no ne ho venom e ka ma sorry them ho omo a venom ni bi wura omumu bia omo yare enti mo anam was in it 2022 no mo bon say edurumre bia na ensori ma no efa nyina yare na efa nyina bowa na asofo edi machi nyina bowa na omo yare we enye ntro pure truth na me ka kira osa no mo a mo be kan the year 2022 na efa yare na asofo nyina yare na omo bowa sa tam no na eye principality a oda eburum a Jacob tumfo because of how dangerous anu ye ntini amani mpie ne ho venom ne ka asase so keke ene kura ye de na mapepa ne ho nyinaa o ansana asofo a na edi machi ensolima a edi machi a sa venom ni bi nyinaa etese virus ekeka wo mo anu mo yale nyinaa no na e wo se me sa be gina ho sa video no eda online ha o hwehwe sa video na eda online ha na me hye top yellow na enwa ho aguma no na mitiri nua fu pa that time me hye top yellow bi sa na enwa ho aguma no na me hye bat combat bi sa video no sa da no na me sa baaye omo ane ya capture omo nyina virus ni bi akeka omo nyina me sa be yi ni nyina firi omo ni petwem esa boa ni nyina no edi kogu ojata de ni ehye no enti ye ka spiritual worker dangerous ye was spirit bi wo ho a wa geneba afiri ni nsam tie ye ne ya imagine obi a spiritual marriage one so na tumi no waje nipa na oware no afiri ni nsam otimi ko wura obi mu no otan enti bro nyamdwuma we no enti sese de ohunu no nyamdwuma we no enti sese de ohunu no ye kontokwa pa ye kontokwa ye kasi ye kontokwa nkasa ye eduru mre bia ye fight mitimi ko spiritual world no ma ko stay waters na there was a time bi there was spirit bi wo ha there was spirit bi wo ho there was a time bi me ko kan na baby a spirit ne wo no untimi nko nanimu nsama spirit no owo ani bebrebe spirit no owo ani bebrebe na oye too powerful sa spirit no oye too powerful your spiritual oye too powerful na me baby a oye sofo me baby oye sofo ena okoka ntokwa ena oka sa spirit ne ntokwa na afi pressure ba no so ena odwane baaye edi abra me so ni mu no adam so ni mu no a odi case ne beto me na so a me gitu mu se meko ama no saa da no ena saa senior man no oyi ni ti na me so no eba spiritual things a ma specialize wo ena me hu spirit kro onya spirit ketwa o onya spirit ketwa enti me pa cho ye di akon papa enye se me fiti ya no ma be ye opatafuo me di akon. Imagine the pains, imagine the tribulations I've been through, the pains, the suffering, the tears I've shed secretly. Inti enye se me sorry ya na mano kati he ya ko ye di akon di menyame ma, ye di akon e di menyame ma. Linda says, Papa, please do spirits die? Yes. There are some of the spirits who are not immortals. I have about 26, or I know of a 26 different categories of spirit who do die. Omu ebi ti say motia. Emotia wu. Emotia wu. Tienye emotia wu. Emotia owu. Emotia owu. Enti ye wa ahunhun bebre a omu. Ye wa ahunhun bebre omo wale. Ewo mma. Ye wa ahunhun bebre omo wo. Ti se de enipa ne mema oba ne bema a omo ye enipa. Edi ehia no omo wo no. Omo wo ye wo ahunhun omo wo ewo ho. Omo so wo eware. Ye wo ahunhun omo ko wedding. Ekoji omo yonko honhom ayeforo edima omo yonko honhom. One day menya abotre ne maba be kirekire mu ne ma kirew ahonhom no emfie a omudi edimbacho entokwa de yekubi but enkunimdie ye Kristo eni Awurade dia. What you say? So that is how it is. Enye say imagine obi a matimi apere wasase we so ama at me age any de maduri yetimi amame the 33rd boat. Now it took Moses 40 years and son of woman the 33rd boat. It took Moses 40 years, 40 good years. Satam of Moses the 33rd boat, you know. No, when you're 80 years of age. Now my prayer Jacob 2:4 I say hey when you come on the 33rd boat, you know. Hey, and any packet one and your conquet one of my coon. Near conquet what? It's here. Linda says, Papa, please, what does that mean? Dear ya. Enti efri eda me to asolimu me ho ato me pa yie me ho atɔ me pɛɛ yie ɛfiri sɛ sisei mentaa nko ahiafoɔ ntɔkwa meko asikafoɔ ntɔkwa na asikafoɔ ntɔkwa no so no yɛ na biribi wɔ mu wate aseɛ meko sikani ntɔkwa divine destiny clan fo yi meko ntɔkwa adeɛkyi na mekyerɛ ne sɛsɛsɛ ne ohu a oh man of God praise the Lord just say divine destiny clan fo yi obohu no wa wire obey $20,000 so $30,000 so wahu and he say me nko ahiafoɔ ntɔkwa o oh there be me di o machi a mewu he say me ko asikafoɔ ntɔkwa she say no kura wo na me ka kyerɛ no obi a uye hiani a uni sika na wasa akɔka ntɔkwa a spirit na odi na chiri friend kakarika na spirit yi ba ni hu oni spirit yi be ya fight be wie no na aduane a wadi nyina atwe ho na umoja nyina so ate ono so a ma obibi kakra ntonsu onumo na otewa saa na ono akora sɛ onim sɛ unti onim sɛ ni nti kura nti na wo kɔ saa man yi ni me so be saa sɛ o edi ba cho si sɛ ni nko ahiafoɔ ntɔkwa o mi fi ukura o be suma me sɛ me nkɔkɔ ntɔkwa o man bibi asa etime ise me nko ahiafoɔ ntɔkwa o imagine sa me ba sofu ya me kase okoka ntokwa spirit na okoka no ntokwa unim spirit ko your friend Ketev Meriri spirit and your friend Ketev Meriri na sa Ketev Meriri no o your spirit a o flash na o se wani kosua sei etwa no so a eno ano no un survive biem wasel na wakoka sa ntokwa we no ode abrɛ me etinya sɛ me so me wo weapon a metimi di a fight sa Ketev Meriri a enka wama yanyame akumi na unim ade friend Ketev Meriri unim tumi ni friend Ketev Meriri no ni hu nyina wo wi owo ani bebre na ani no eye ne weapon sa na nyankopon bɔ no wo a wo behu ni bia no wa fa okra your friend Ketev Meriri onam uhu na no wa fa so sa spirit no your friend Ketev Meriri no oka ho na awurade nyankopon ema omukosra ye Israel fo no awurade ka kire Moses say onkum aboa no no mfa ne mogya enye epono na no sa spirit the friend Ketev Meriri oye too dangerous owo ani bebre ni hu nyina wo wi enti sa Ketev Meriri no mo asantefo mo frɛ no amuniamuni tumi a ye frɛ no amuniamuni no Ketev Meriri no nase ne nkwala na ye amuniamuni no ti wa ye santini no first no omyom se amuniamuni eba o ubehu eja na emunumuni se ankore na eba ye frɛ no Ketev Meriri omo principality na ohwe sa amunamuni tumi ne sasabonsam so nyina no yeah mo enti sa Ketev Meriri no ono na Moses I can say ono na David ekohia bia at once na David hope Emma David bomb pare was Psalm 91. What you say? Psalm 91. Ope se ohu saa tumi na your friend Ketev Meriri. Na ono no saa Ketev Meriri me kire wade. Okay, kind the book of Psalms a obehu no ho. Be kire wade. De mo ka se nya sunsum dwuma na da form. Now, when you read Psalm 91 verse 6, it speaks about this particular Ketev Meriri. Oye demon ni huwo eni bebre but omunimuni. Psalm 91 verse 6. Eno na David koshia na afi no David yale by force. Enti wono no ushia na obetimi amwaye obetimi am wo experiencing sleep paralysis. Dia mu frɛ no amuntum no obetimi am amuntum ache no wakun na o wakohia Ketev Meriri na ni di kura no oba once we say ya mabo ni di Ketev Meriri no anadwiji sɛ me koto weapon bi ayesa obeba because mabo ni di onu boni di obeba besra wo ye de oba besra wo dayem. Radi ya moto wana mo afam ho adi. My goodness. Say no what here. Rebacho Ketev Meriri no. Spirit ni say no what here. I say nani eni na won ha bebre no. Ebe bia kex ane na nam. We nyina ye ani. We nyina ye ani. Hwe ne boso. We nyina ye ani. We nyina ye ani. Ketev Meriri. Oh. I chose say no what you. Oh, Radi Yankopon. Now, this is it. Check something out. Ketev Meriri, a distracted demon or plague. Deuteronomy 32 verse 24, Psalm 91 verse 6. You see? Times of power. Its power is said to peak between 10:30 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. the 4th to the 9th hours of the day. Na me pacho oni sa dimo we enya ntokwa na wabegya na mame ahiafo dimo kakarika spirit. Imagine say oda ho a obi a wada no na ohiani a woni sika wakoka ntokwa na demon e ba na osan azonto hohomone na yasoma ne se o mekun no oba na osan azonto na nkasa ye spirit one Amanda omo ankasa omo ye spirit da na kakarika spirit abeka ho na omo abe mafia na omo ko na o tu baby na wasoma opatafoɔ sɛ me de me nko gyina kakarika anim na me ne nko na mbacho nyame amfa fie na kakarika bome na oka me testicles ara me ka de asem ha kakarika spirit oka me testicles ara me ka de asem answer me now there wo da ofie o wo de o testicles ho nye hwe ebo ho wo de enjoy life na me oka me de. Linda says God forbid. Linda, kakarika spirit can bite off your testicles, so I'm telling you the truth. You can bite off your testicles. So for mommy ga say hey boy papa hey boy kakarika spirit bo wan no testicles na when is what wine next time we who say yes so only e baba be ko so please, the issues with spiritualism, it is not a plaything. It is not a plaything. Nansay heaven crachi midibia. Heaven crachi midibia. Adintia. And tokwa. Just say pressure from all angles. And I mean kuan I mean kum ubi any ho. Now I was saying me making sure say me following. Hey. Me fa principality way, me fa spirit way, me fa spirit way. Ena to me a ye dia mame no. Omo kire me say sa to me way no. I just say me duru a higher cosmic level, cosmic entity be. We are very strong. To say ye or oppose ye Gabriel. Daniel chapter 10 verse 13. And I was saying, you use our weapon. But me shut up pressure na eba me so na. And me koko use weapon. And a cocoon spirit. Spirit bia. I feel we di be 1,000 something years. Now I was say hold me responsible. Say me need to me say me ku. Sa spirit no if he say de ya hye ne say o meye no asase we so no onya nye wie nti ade nti na wo say me use sa to me no edikunu nti ya chimi dedua na no e wo say na eno no e wo say me ko dwan toward the 13 mercy seat. Me koko dwan toward 13 mercy seat. Etia musu. So the 13 mercy seat. Na me tia mu na misu. Na Messiah ni di manim. Eko pacha o mame. Ansana. Omode me ko ojata dieri ako dware me. You don't have any idea. So sometimes you sit at the comfort of your house and say anything that you want. You don't know what it costs us most of the times. Hey, Gaban says, Papa, please, why is it that spirits grow very old than human beings? Me pacho idea. Idea. Yeah, okay, say. Nti obi wo ha onim say obi fi say opatafuo mi wo freedom obi wa mitimi ko encounter a spirit away very stubborn. Recently TDA. Recently, this is a truthful thing. I had an encounter with a high-end principality. Then this principality, could you imagine, say, anytime biya, menini benima ebeshia impuni, otimi ma amuntu cheme. Principality, otimi ma amuntu. And imagine, say, the level of my spiritual authority. Na spirit otimi ma amuntu cheme. Easy. Me encounter me 3 times. Ni nyina o ma amuntu cheme. Till say, me kwakofa a life wire. Your life wire bia. Because you are not spiritual. High end energy. And sana me di ko amana chino. Me di ko chino, me di chino. Ana me di say no. Ade achi yempo na me ka kire Mr. Osei. Me say, "Hey Mr. Osei. Mr. Osei, ene de principality no mba no ha adwuno ubegye di se otimi ma muntum che." Ansana me tina se say spirit me di ne ho agora obe ma afia me. Ansana me kwakofa another weapon higher end. Eno kura me kosre. Ana Jacob tumfo de ma me say me mfa nkoye operations me wi am nsan returning it back. Ansana omo ma me a high end spirit. Na abra ye call sa principality ni camp no. Yes say ho nyina say baby ane e dano mete me ho papa. Ya chief principality no. Me say utimi ma muntum chime. Ane mete me ho. Me say me ahonhom ni discipline born mafia. Amo hu say ma born mafia. She obi wo ho a say wadi nkan ba wiase da. Tienio obi wo ho a wa ba wiase da. Enti wiase na wa bada no. The second time nie obi wo a the third time nie obi wo the fourth time nie. Ena waye bone. Ena principality bi ena omde na kohye ne nsa. Obi wo ho a ya kese no. Obi wo ho a ya se ne si ye mani nye yie. Enti se wo ye wo hadwene se saa nipa we wo be mana ye yie a age se ahohom na oma se ne na omo so omo mani nye yie no age se wo ne omo nyina akoko na utimi dini so enkunim. Enti na Yesu ka kire omo se obi nko ohodinfuo fie enkofa ne bibi age se wo ne ohodinfuo ne ko. Enunti me pese o picking from this perspective from Daniel chapter 10 verse 13. Imagine say angel Gabriel or to me any ahoden esini nipa onumpo ye wotumi die watimi achi angel Gabriel edina kotu efiase. So imagine the kind of spirit omo hiding in the deepest and darkest part of the world. Omo mpie mani hu. Ndi ebi wo ho no mo o kan say ya ofi say sunsun nyuma no ufiti ya na what ni aye sunsun nyuma no sa just like that. She so please and yes I let you and yes I let you na ade a efe ni say opatafo ntokwa bia opatafo makun bia no me fa win nansen accident ya eto mi eye grandmasters 36 and almost me disturb wo na ne kasa ni nyamu no na omo abaye ama me ma shutu omo weapon e wo omo camp ama omo nkrofo no ma fa ebi so me fa mako 5 eso eno na hye wo omo no Enti almost so yeah na omo call omo high end power ho. And omo bua me kum for say saa de a se me metimi afa omo kuo no mako 5 ekra de a ene emeso omo nkumi. A designer here there, they should take me off. And society now make an small secret society. Yeah, to okay say OPATAFUOR be fitting yarn my OPATAFUOR. Amani ama komu ni ntokwa ama kono. Meni su ye crack. Nti pa cho ya mishira why Ewurade muam no ma de mu ye bia nye yie na Ewurade mie mani no mie maso ha me de me wo. Yes, Linda, yes, that was the cause of the accident. Yes, Fifis Esuma says that means to be a true man of God, you need to be fortified. You need to be even more than fortification. You must be fortified beyond distraction. You must be fortified up to the 72nd degree. You must be fortified up to the 72nd degree, or else they will kill you. Mechanical, wahun asofo bebre eyana omatimia orchestrating accident na ku omo afiri wiase. Bohu osofo na omabopa ni akoku no. Bohu osofo na omame ya bu na kuno. Omama am robbers eni enipa bonefo akoku no. Ubehu osofo mu a na yakuna to ni fie. Ubehu osofo mu a na ya poison. Enti saa nioma we nyina no. So we sofo a was here 45. Maybe for instance. So imagine how troublesome I am. What you say? Mo amo hwemi. Mo amo ya we say OPATAFUOR me troublesome. And the way I'm here troublesome. And koma sumo obi amana be bomitu. And imagine say adana omudi etuo esuma nkrofo so omumra mekume no. Enti senya ade ama 45 me ho a enkoma nkume. Komu kume. So what you say? But my 45 me ho. Enti yuntimi nkume sa. Menye akokɔ no akume sa. Nano hwe accident a esisi. Na hwe mo a mo hwe bi no. Nano accident ya menyaye no. Se enka me ba be ka kire mu a enka mo mfa ni serious. Nanso we de mo ani tua bi. Mo amu hu se de accident ni sitie no. Accident ya amaka amuni da ho. Na mitiri nwi me hunam ba bia anti. Me hunam ba bia. Na just imagine. And to fi say enye tumi bi na bo ho ban. Mi busaw, wo de wo atena se kwa akiri enti enye tumi bi na ebo ho ban. Nti edan a Nyankopɔn tumi no Jacob tumfuo no ni tumi na ode amame no. Ene na me de apunu me ho. Unim how many times or my poison me? Unim how many times or OPATAFUOR or my poison me? Unim how many times or my poison? Huh? Unim how many times or OPATAFUOR my poison? It mean puru me ho and ka poison several times and come me omo kumia firi wiase. Ba me de me ka no kra tro me mapunu me ho me mapunu me ho pa yi ko ma hu se abibifo omo adwempone. Linda says, Papa, please, what was the first thing that came into your mind after the accident? Like how? Please go deeper. I want to know. like how Linda me bacho like dear ya to me ma fortify myself nti enye nantwie na ade be form enye konfo enye malam enye obi na abesoma ne so mebo mituo masa oboa enye easy sa adwuma na me ye no obi anu ha nyankopon betimi ama na so camera na wabekeka ensem na me keka no abrawoni ahobambo ma fortify me hu yie pa extremely so untimi nkumi sa keke bad guy. You should understand that. So that is just by the way. Mama Linda, me pacho, did you think about the person behind it or you thought it was a normal? No. I knew it was on the way coming because it has been revealed to me countless of times that there will be an attempt to take my life. I knew it, that there will be an attempt for them to take my life. So I was fully prepared for it. But I didn't know that they will make an attempt to orchestrate it in accident way. I thought it was going to be a physical attack. Like I'll be there and a car will cross me and it will be a gun shoot. Just like that. Pay. It's not my spiritually. And now, ya say from time when me who sadia no na ya kire me say me wo just only 2 weeks for that thing to happen inti na ma boa me ho dada na prophecy enso ne nam enkrofo so aba inti na opatafo ma boa me ho saa time na me tumi me ma me tumi nko ba bia o ahohom tough no mu nyina gina nchen inti abra me ba Accra me be shia divine destiny clan nyina na ma boa me ho dada me na ma boa me ho dada na ma boa me ho dada it me prepare sa Linda says, please, did it happen exactly? No, it happened 1 week 2 days. So the caution was prepare yourself within the space of 2 weeks. That thing will come. There will be an attack. But you see, if I wished, I would have canceled it and never allowed that to happen. But you see, Jacob 2:4 says, he will allow that to happen an extreme way and nothing will happen to me. Just to prove to those people that he is the one who owns this world. He controls everybody's life. So what else? In Jacob 2:4 mame yawe sena me pese me twam a bibia ensia. Na saa de en kametimi aye ni nyina. But 2 minutes ka kire me say mema na si na ma kire o mo say obi antimi anje wonkwa. Me na owuo ni nkwa firi me. Enti imagine car asama sorti I roll it 3 times so and akoto baby na Mr. say akoto form na car ban so tie ni o car na sama sorti na Mr. say akoto form na car dan so enti nka office niti enhwe kota no so ema nitiri mu ndwa se nye nyame ahobambo a enti ofi se nka obetimi kura sorry dwene kwa akiri ye mu bia ni ho a ye ntiri nwi tu ye me honam ba bia anye me ya na unim de efe kura wo mu ne se boy na ono de car ne bo woman no ebe hwe ye car ni mu kura no ono kura so no omde ne call hospital na ni tiri ba akukura ntu na bibia anye no eno na me fa na me busa urade a o se senka ne car no ekohwe bibia mu dia anka oni ni twaka but car ne be boy ye die mu no abro mu save ye no na e wo say honhom no so save boy no enti o save boy no o save boy no say ye no de hwe ade fufuro mu a enka boy no onya nkwada. What you say? But boy ne di be hwe ye ka mu no na ye ntimi mfa ne kra if you say ye mfa obi a odi bi moja. What you say? Enti ono de akwa hwe ne bibim odi akwa hwe ne bibim ena ono nam ne baby ena odi abehwe ho nti se ye ne nkekọ ball baby dia ena nka boy ne ko bewu kura kwakojo ka boy ne ko onsori ko bewu nanso so odi ba boy ka ni mu nti abra tumi ni save me no o save boy no call hospital abra omode no echi no tu mu a omode no call hospital a omo check here no afi no na boy no hu ba bia nti. What you say? Oh my goodness. Ebenezer says, please Papa, what makes spirit entities grow older than humans? Like how? Enti sa battles we nyina yakubi. Still we are still surviving. You should understand how powerful our maker is. Mena meti ho ya enti wo hwe obi a wapira me pa cho say no obekasa. Me pa cho mu a mo hwe me no fa ne say opatafuo kura me pira na me yaza obi a wapira ade no wode hwe me mfi mu ha o me mfi ha sei me mfi ha sei enti nka obi a mapira no enka ma no be katikati sei nyankopo ahobambo ho. Felix Bibi says, Papa, please, what about the woman the car hit? Like how? Say woman dey eno no onbe me. Woman dey ono onbe me. Enti ontimi nya oje. Ono dey o baabi a principality. Ono no ogina ne baabi a principality. E ho na omo temper with guy no ni nsem stia. What you say? Enti na wo say woman no so no. I was say one so protecting itself. Say woman no na wa protecting itself enka ento ne da. But anam say woman no only protection inti no. Enu nti na principality need to be found so just like that. No? Because no one protecting itself. On protecting itself. O protecting ho sa de na mba. Until you must protect yourself. And until na ya me catch you say, eya punu protect yourself. Who hear protection? And ya wano fafana. O sorry a ode to nyum no. And yes attack bi ba so a ombekum. Attack bi o ha ba so ombekum. So what you say? Protect yourself. If you want to protect yourself genuinely in the Lord, it is there. If you want to protect yourself genuinely in the Lord, it is there. You can protect yourself. Opesa bo ho ban no obi anku. Felix Bibi says, Papa, how many protections do you? I have all the 72 protections. I have all the 72 protections. You can never do anything to take my life prematurely unless maybe it is my time, unless the heavens permit it. With that, I have no say in it. If not that, you can never, there is no single witch doctor who is in the air, on the land, within the land, under the earth, who can stand me and take my life. There is no single occultic grandmaster. You can be a 33rd degree grandmaster. You can be whoever. You can even sit down and die and eat with demons and higher evil spirit. You can never. Me OPATAFUOR na me kachiro. Me, I love it when the weather becomes harsh and too scary. I love it when the weather becomes too harsh and too scary. I love a dangerous actions like that, full of adventure. Protect yourself. Now, 29th of December, I'm doing protection. Free mean Jusika. Now, on the 20th, sorry, on the 1st of December, meba be kire adia fabre me. Na me fanye protection ma wo. Yankopon mu otumi onya afi na akotwa odwan ana akukọ edi amatumi bia. Be protect wo free me ye dia ma wo free me nje o kapre. One cedi kura me nje. One cedi kura me OPATAFUOR me nje o da. 1st December, me kire o de odi be hia me on the 29th. Me ye the amount me njo one cedi da. Na me ye sa de ne de ma wi a ne wura fia. Ubohu de ufiefo no be ye. Ubohu de onamfofo be ye. Obi a otan obi a ompe wasem bia. Nyankopon ya adoma. On the 29th no me ye mida keneged mida. Mumu bi wo ha me ye measure for measure ene de amount. Obi kodi hu nkonkonsa na wo se ka fa ne na so next time obesu nyansa obi etu na nisi usu se obe hawa onam se ya na ma ho ne sa akroma aho akokọ no sa tumi no bi na me de ye adwuma bo mafia pa kire o se memi wo o ka se wi ase me mafia ken obi e no betimi akumi you can't kill me. So that is just by the way, measure for measure. So please, on the 29th of December, get yourself prepared. Especially, I am inviting men and women who are beyond 70 years of age. 70 years of age. If you are a woman or a man who is 70 years exactly or 70 years beyond. If you have a father, a mother, whoever that you hold in higher esteem, if the person is beyond 70 years of age, come. I want to personally give you communion and prepare you. Me mouth special communion, me di shirao. Na makabibi achiro wa abrabom. Yeah. And everybody is highly welcome. From OPATAFUOR. Sikano de number 1. On the 29th of December, Sika and a first direction are me. The first direction are me a Sika. Sikankwa enu sikanwa adwuma na meye 29 December Sika ho adwuma na meye. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, Linda says, Papa, please can we the teenagers come to? Oh yes, everybody from a toddler to somebody who has gotten his centenarian, right? 66 years, and say you are part of it, but you will not get some of the communion. The 66 years, you are not yet that age. You are not yet that age, 70 years, so you can't get the communion. But from below 69, 68 down to your 18 years, I will do protection for you and your kids. And you know, and more 12 years, more falling within the age range of 12 years to your 46 years of age. Musono muhie sika so what you say etiano so eye sika sem ene ahobambo enti sene be ya o o America o Canada ni o ma be koyi ama but on pay ye dia mpacha o de telefie why we as simple as ABC enye kasa enye didi atem ambe Ebenezer o muru 46 years. So the be 84 ana. Oh my goodness. Now, Alice Assam says, Papa, including the witches. Please, what are you talking about? Tell me. Roger Joseph says, Papa, I'm coming to your place direct from Accra Airport to Kumasi. Don't worry, I'll give you the direction when the time is due. Okay, I'll give you the direction when the time is due. Bro, pesika o wati di OPATAFUOR di pesika pesika na sika de e wo ho a in fact e boa pesika enti sika de pebi na sika boa sika eboa enti ukọ baabi na obi atai sika nsuo wɔ hɔ a me ma kwan numbi wati ase se nsuo no betima ma wanya sika na enkase fa moja bra ade a medwa no kokum we fa pe moja occultic for no di bibia hye wotirim say big money doesn't come clean and clean money doesn't come big. This is what the occultic people have prepared your minds. So in your mind you think before you get a big money you must dirty yourself. It is never true. They do that for a purpose. They normally say that for a purpose. Omi ya no maka say sika kese bi enu a ehun ye clean ena sika ketuwa bi sika bi ehun ye clean bi aso enye kese omo boa ebe omo de saadwiri no ehye utirim se ne ebe ya wo ho a na aya se kokum nipa ne fa pesika kotwa odwan kotwa nantwie ne fa pesika abra nyankopon mu no ye wotumi a ebetimi am wa ye yie usi ni kokum bibi dia pesika at the end of the day ebi kura na ade no ankoye yie na emoja na wakọ share no na eba be hantew se de me cannot timasi ya enti obi obeka tro say big money doesn't come clean and clean money doesn't come big bia oboa engine to da. Yes. Kodapia says, what about us between 46 years and 69 years? Yes, 46 years up to 69. You need money and you need protection. That's the only thing you need. You need protection and you need money. But the people who are between the age of 70 to 100 years, you need salvation, which is probably preparation. That is why I will give you communion. 70 up to 100 years. You need salvation and then good health. Salvation and good health. And then probably add money to it, because as for money, even when you are dying, in your dying moment, you still need money. So that is why I told you that those people who falls within the age range of 70 years and above, I'll give you communion. And the communion is about, there's something that I've prepared spiritually on the communion. And once you take the communion, it's going to prepare your way so that you will not be denying salvation, you will not be denying good health, and then add some riches. But you people who falls under 69 years of age up to your 46 years, please, you still need money because you are young. You still need money. So money in your adventurous state, in your legitimate pursuit to look for money, you might encounter a lot of things. So probably you need protection within that age range. That is why I said I have something special for you at that particular state when you are within the age range of 46 up to 69, from your 12 years up to your 46 years. You need money and protection. So what do I say? And I need, especially, I need more of parents. I need more of parents. If you are a parent, if you have a son or a daughter, you must come, because maybe there is a principality, a demon, or an evil spirit. Hey, mami kachi. Denti am sibi here awofo no. Oye awofo abra. Because ebia na tumi bi wo fie. Na tumi na timia how. Se wo ye bema, se wo ye oba, na tumi na how. Enti ama wan timi anya nidie wa abrabom, antimi am wan di de. Ne se obe pese. Yebe yi wuti ene wo humanity afiri saa ade na se a bra na ma kire o de obe ya ma wo ne o ma no na ma yi muti afiri saa tumi na se na o ma no o muti ene o mu komu aha wo mu na o ma no ade bi a yehu agu ma na ni so a ama o ma no o mani aye hatu na o mu hawo no ana ama o banti bi nye yi unim se eye ferie se oba enya beyond 30 years of age na osasere hosika enya ferie. Imagine OPATAFUOR de madri na masa ko gira me papa ho se oma usika nanso de aduro no uni choice. Oba no bi okro onya 35 36 obi o ha oba nya 40 years oya na wasa abobọ no hene mom na wasa atam kakre da ho na de ama no ni nyina eye tumi bi o eye aninguase tumi bi opese ogu anim ase ne o ma enti agise oba na ye yiw me ma wade bi na odi akoye na wayi wo mani di afirim na waka se yen an obo udi a so ne o ma de saa tumi ofiri abusia we mu a wama o ma ame asefo obia ye dry obia aye dry obi ntimi emmobra obi o ha woni unua no nyina ye kase anwumre ya mompe be 50,000 pounds mra na mbie heaven gate mamu ampa cho ebe ye dia ma pa ensusu nyesa wunya adwuma o uye adwuma na uye obi a obo homodin so enti wadaroma ani die kwan so be ba dia fine omba eye wa wasem because mahuse amanie bebre di danipa so mahuse amanie pa amanie frɛ na amanie di danipa so bebre enti saa December we na me de yes saa program no metumu a mesa bie ebiem ana ye besa hia eno de enye kumase biem ebeye Accra eno be December 2028. Eno be December 2028. Means anye biem munim se de misuman tie. Enti saa na tie wada Roma. Obi wo ha. Obi wo ha abusua ne nye. Bra na memfa edenhye wanu ma wate. Ne timi didi kakra na wabre. Abre otena America ache o, otena UK ache. Bosia kura wo ba ye ma obi de be ma so a be 5,000, 10,000, 15, 20,000 pounds. Na ni nyina asa. Felix Bibi says, please, Papa, I need your help. I'm selling my car. What kind of car are you selling? Car ben auto, dear car. Dear car. Me dear, me kind of crash though. So I say me antichrist, fine. Me dear, ni na we radin sem. So, okay, Ford Ranger. Oh, I see. Eti misro, obi oha ufie tumi nani edin pa. Di oha uni unianom. Brane be yu hufiri mu kode. Ndi sana me life to you. Umpe yedi o. Umpe yedi, umpe sika. Umpe sika. Na unim say the ebe we are 2027 no. I just say ni pedane. The ebe we are 2027 this old Johnny. On said this year me can say be say the way are this year mu be dey no e che 2025 and na asofu bi say o mahu say abrabo no 2026 emu aye de na me catch you say me dey me ba mu no me hu say entutu mebe bi atu it because of that intinu enye na onim say 2027 echo 2028 to me now all ban your friend now we nade na mpacho hu awe nade ne da wodi wani hu awe nade no entinya abotre why na me adoma ye call lockdown ba me chirichiri machro ya mi shira bye bye. Oh my goodness. This year, in September, October, November, ne be theater. Reverend Stephen Adani Mensa, please don't teach them that, okay? Reverend, don't teach them about Tobit. Teach them about the Bible. Teach them about the Bible. Don't teach them about anything.